Good morning, everybody. Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and today we are docking in Cozumel, Mexico. We are currently docking. We're in the middle of docking right now at the downtown cruise port. So we're going to get to explore around a cruise port we haven't been to in quite a while. We've been to Cozumel, but we haven't docked at this particular port. And then after that, we are going to be heading over to Mr. Sancho's. All you can drink, all you can eat, stumble back to the cruise ship. Not us, but I heard it happens. So let's get our day started in Cozumel, Mexico. Try to get a better look at them here. There's the two Celebrity and the third ship. Here comes our pilot boat. Alright, so we are almost docked, or getting closer to the dock anyway. And we have Mein Schimpf here with us today. I'm not exactly sure which number of Mein Schimpf this one is yet.
I think it's 6.
Hey, Tiffany believes it's Mein Schimpf 6. But they are going to be here at the dock with us. We'll be able to take a little look at this ship, at least from the outside as well. Tiffany pointed this out right here, but that has got to be the biggest door for a gangway I have ever seen on a cruise ship. That sucker is covering like 2 complete decks. Here's another look at the door over on the Mein Schimpf. Like I said, it's a big door. And compared to the Little People, big giant door. Must be an older ship design. Alright, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell this from the video or not, but the way the Prima sticks out here on deck 8, we are over the top almost of their gangway over on the Mein Schimpf 6. So the way the top sticks out, it is super close. How close do you think that is?
Judging right there from the skywalk, I'd say 100 feet, maybe 2.
That's not even remotely 100 feet. No, I mean, look. We are like right on top of it. And I don't know if it's going to come out decently in the video, but we're hanging out over halfway over the...
Right there. Turn it around.
Yeah, and you can see over here, because you can see the dock and how much we hang over right there. That's the skywalk versus over here. I don't know, it feels like we can reach out and touch them. I mean, I can see directly, and I'm not zoomed in or anything, but I can see right. Pretty sure we could throw something across if that wasn't illegal. All right, so we found our Monster energy drinks finally in Cozumel. We're in the cruise port. Tiffany is loose and free, and naturally she is heading in for some shopping. Actually, she's looking specifically for sunglasses today. She had a little accident and broke her regular glasses, so now she's going to do some sunglass shopping. But kind of give you an idea of, it's a pretty typical cruise port and the offerings they have in here. Alright, now is anybody surprised that she came looking for sunglasses and instead now has holding a Minnie Mouse hat? Oh, here she goes again. She's a shopping machine. But I see drink coolers. I am fascinated by the drinks and drink coolers. But kind of show you around the shop a little bit. She's hanging out here. Or she's taking her puppy for a walk, it looks like. We found the candy store. Candy, candy, candy. Candy everywhere. Look at all of the candy. Yeah, little candies in the jars here. I mean, just candy everywhere. I don't think those are you, baby. All right, so we're back in the cruise port. And we're gonna pick up a couple things. James is gonna head off his way and pick up a couple things. And Tiffany's gonna do her usual cruise port shopping. So we're back over in the cruise port. Tiffany's gonna do some shopping. James has gone off to do his own thing. I'm pretty sure that translated to, "Oh, I'm done hanging out with these fools." What do you think? He said, do you think he said, "I've had enough of these two. I got to go do my own thing. Y'all are cramping my style." No, I don't believe that's the case, but I think it's funny to say it. But we still do have a couple of things we want to pick up before we head back to the ship. We got a couple hours yet before it is time for all on board. So, you gonna shop, baby?
A little bit.
Of course you are. So we're going back into the pharmacy. Pharmacies are always good for getting your favorite drinks and beverages. And in this case, boom, there they are. And her shopping continues. It's one of Tiffany's favorite parts of a cruise port. She just likes to look. Especially since this is a cruise port we haven't actually gotten to look in since 2016. Tiffany's hunting for a shot glass for another Tiffany that we happen to know. She thinks she might have found... I don't know, baby. I don't know if this is the right choice. You gotta get a shot glass for someone who needs a shot glass. I think those are the proper answer right there. To me, that just says shot glass from Mexico.
Yeah, okay.
All right, we're back upstairs here in the cruise port. Oh, and you have some of those special statues. And we're gonna head across back towards the cruise ship, passing the Hooters Owl one more time, going through the duty-free shop, and then heading down. Oh, we got a police car. I think he's after Tiffany. Tiffany, you're wanted. Too much fun at Mr. Sancho's?
Yes.
So we're gonna hit the duty-free shop on the way out. Just see if they have any duty-free items that we are interested in. Of course, this is gonna be your liquor and that sort of thing that you will find in this particular store. And one last stop into the pharmacy that we started at the beginning of today, just to kind of refresh our drinks and head back to the ship. All right, so we are heading back to the cruise ship. Another look at the Mein Chef 6 with the Norwegian Prima hiding over there behind it. It's hard to tell which of these two ships is actually bigger. I think the Prima might be a hair taller than the Mein Chef 6. But I'll show you guys when we get up here in between the ships that the Prima sticks over the dock. I mean, they're way closer than you think. Okay, now we're between the ships. Now I guess, you know what? From down here, it doesn't look near as close as it does when you're up on deck 8. But man, up there, it sure looked like they were a lot closer together than they do here. But we're heading to get back on board, and it's going to end our day here in Cozumel, Mexico. All right, we are officially untied from Cozumel, getting ready to pull away. Oh, there we go. We are pulling away from the dock. Mein Chef 6 is still here. She's got a later stay than we do. We only had one set of pier runners today.
They weren't an hour late.
And they weren't an hour late, that's true. But we did have some. Cozumel is usually pretty notorious for having at least some.
I blame Mr. Sancho's.
But here we go, pulling away from the dock. Got everybody waving by from the mine chef.
I know, that's fine.
Got the sushi restaurant. Alright, so we are heading into Hudson's main dining room for dinner tonight. Let's kind of take a look at the restaurant here. It's got stuff up there. Alright, so you're all at the fancy table again. Good evening. So you're in the fancy restaurant?
Yes.
With a jacket on?
Yes.
It's not cold in here.
I don't know, I got sunburned the other day and I've been cold.
But quick look around the restaurant.
You know what
Kind of wraps around the back of the ship. Yeah, the lines are wobbling a little bit. All right, they brought us our selection of bread here. You got a couple bread rolls, and what's under there? Butter, baby?
Yes.
Oh, and butter. So bread and butter to get started with. So Tiffany's got a Caesar salad over there. I ordered the meatballs. They're not here. That's because somehow when I said meatball, it turned into matzo balls. And so now they are fixing that. But mistakes happen, right?
Yeah.
It's just oopsies. So now we're just gonna watch Tiffany eat. Let's all stare at her together. As a whole group, we're watching you go.
That's a crouton.
That is a weird looking crouton. All right, here are the meatballs. So I got herb crusted rotisserie chicken. Comes with mashed potatoes and broccoli. And Tiffany over there, she's got a New York strip steak with fries and a fried tomato. Are you gonna eat your fried tomato? But it's good for you.
But I'll eat your broccoli.
Yes, you will eat my broccoli.
But
Good.
you don't eat broccoli.
Broccoli is all for you. For dessert, I have chocolate eclairs, and Tiffany has Mexican chocolate cake. So this is the dessert course. Alrighty, another day here on board the Norwegian Prima is done and over with. Today, Cozumel was a blast.
Yes.
Had such a great time in Cozumel. Mr. Sancho's definitely gets a thumbs up. It was fun. Price was right. Food was good. Drinks were flowing. It was a good day. It was another hot day, though.
Yes.
Definitely got a little red action here going on. Came back on board the ship. Kind of chilled out. Then we went to eat dinner in the main dining room. We had to go try out the main dining room.
Yes.
So we went into Hudson's. Dinner was good. Food was good. Service was great.
If you're in there and they offer the Mexican chocolate cake, I highly, highly recommend it.
Tiffany did like that Mexican chocolate cake. So yeah, another day done and gone. Tomorrow is a sea day.
Yes.
Our last full sea day that will be tomorrow on board the ship. So now it's time to get some rest and come back and do it again tomorrow. I hope everyone out there has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always,
We'll see you out on the high seas.